Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change margins in PowerPoint, a simple trick that can make your slides look cleaner, more professional, and better organized. Adjusting margins not only gives your presentation a polished look, but also helps emphasize your key content. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you've recently worked on a presentation, you'll likely see it in your recent documents list. This makes it easy to pick up right where you left off. Navigate to the specific presentation you want to edit, whether it's saved on your local drive or in the cloud. Knowing where your file resides will save you time. Once your presentation is open, go to the Design tab. This tab is where you'll find various layout and customization features for your slides. For now, focus on the slide size option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Custom Slide Size. Within the Custom Slide Size settings, look for the Slides Sized For menu. It usually defaults to a standard layout, but scroll through the options and select Custom. This choice allows you to set both the height and width of your slides manually, which indirectly adjusts your margins by changing the overall slide dimensions. Next, type in your desired width and height. The units may be in inches, centimeters, or pixels, depending on your system settings, so double check before entering. Once your dimensions are set, click OK. PowerPoint will ask how you want the existing content to fit into the new slide size. You'll see two primary options, maximize or ensure fit. Maximize fills the new slide dimensions with your current content, which might crop some elements, while ensure fit adjusts your content to fit the new size without cutting anything off. Choose the option that best suits your layout, and then click the button to finalize your changes. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the slide size and margins to improve your presentation's appearance. With these steps, your slides will now look more professional, polished, and ready for any audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks.